Yeah. Hello everyone, my name is Nada and class NMP is 71. Today I explain about the breadboard. This is breadboard and what's the meaning of breadboard? Breadboard is a tool for building temporary circuit without soldering. How is a work breadboard? It is very simple. You just plug and ply your component into the holes. The holes are connected by a metal strip. Yeah. That is an example. This you can plug and apply a resistor. You can apply a component, ultrasonic or something, and you can plug like okay. This is a circuit. This is circuit is positive and circuit negative, and this is a metal strip. And why use it per part? We use it from prototyping. It is very fast, easy, and visible for any project. Thank you and see you.